Guys, and welcome everyone. Recently I've been facing a little problem with my Java NetBeans, and I've been teaching this online programming lately. I finished my all offline API programming to my students, and now I was starting with my online programming. And just I made a new project in here with Java NetBeans, and I faced a strange kind of an error, and I couldn't fix it. And then when I started searching the help here and there, I couldn't find. And then finally I found out the problem, so I'm just going to share you with guys, and hopefully if you will be facing the same kind of problem. So the solution was pretty simple, but maybe sometimes when you have recently installed your Java language and as well as the NetBeans, maybe sometimes this kind of a problem may occur. And but if you see there are many other parameters take care. Okay, you can see here, if you know a little bit about online programming, you need to make first your computer as of a web server, and you need to install the web server. And you can see here my web server is up and running here with this green signal. You can check it is up and running. And if I want to just run my project over here, okay, which is very small, just hello world program, and you just see if I just want to run it, it doesn't run at all. And then we need to fix the problem, and you just check it out here. What's the message it's giving? Failed to execute goal something this, and in this plugins is telling this plugin is failed to execute. Okay, so we need to check it out why this is happening. And we see here, if you look at my Apache NetBeans, this is 25 versions I'm running. This is I'm sorry, which is latest version of this Apache NetBeans. And we need to check out where exactly this plugins is being used, and then we can do something about it. Okay, so where is this plugin do we have? Where do we use this kind of plugins? And if you go to this XML of this project, you will find here certain things must have been mentioned here. And as of our error talks about the plugins, so we will be interested in plugins, that where we are going to find our plugin, this maven-war-plugin 2.3. okay, so if you just look around carefully, you will find somewhere. Yeah, we found it. It's org.apache.maven plugins. Yes, correct. And this is the Maven War plugin, correct. And 2.3, this is also correct again. So we see here, this we have a problem. And I'm sorry. And we need to check out somehow the other. This is not working with our latest edition of our Apache. So this could be one of the reasons that this could have been the older version of the plugins, which is not being compatible with our latest version of NetBeans. Okay, so we need to check out what we can do about it. Okay, so we now go to our services, and just beneath of this our server, we have here the Maven repositories. Okay, so as it is saying here, the Maven. So that means this plugin could be into the Maven's repositories. Okay, so we can see here, we have two different kinds of repositories. Number one, local. Number two, we have here the central repository. Okay, so if we go to the local and try to look in our plugins, so this is org apache dot plugins. You can see here, you can find this in here, and here you have different kinds of login mentioned here, and you can check out that among these plugins we need to search ours. So our plugin is something like war. So yes, so we have got here, so we can see here we have different kinds of plugins we have. Usually if you will see, you must be having only 2.3 as it was by default. This plugin 2.3 version was taken and I didn't know anything about it. When I hit with the error, then only I could understand this is the problem. And then I try downloading the other ones as well, maybe because if it is not working, maybe these may work, but these also did not work at all. Okay, then I need to find out the other plugins as well. Then rather than going to the local repositories, I thought of going to the central repository, and then we're gonna go, because this is a large repository, so we need to go, is all arranged according to the alphabetically ordered. So org.maven, we can go as closer as possible, you can drag it. Okay, so maven, M-A-V, no, org.apache first. That means A, we need to go. Okay, apache.maven, and then org apache maven. Okay, so we have got this org.apache maven. We can see here org apache maven.plugins. So this is what is the repository, and we are going to go into this, just drop it down, and there we are going to look for the Maven again war plugins. And let's go down, keep going, maybe must be at the last because of, yeah, got it. So you see here we got here these plugins, and we are right now searching into the central repositories, and we'll just drop it down and just check out our this kind of so we have 2.3 version, so we have here 2.3 versions, correct? So this is not working, so that means this is quite old, and our version of NetBeans is quite new. Okay, so it must have not been working because of this. So we're gonna take, I took 2.2, 2.1, 2.5, 2.6, but none of those worked in here. And I suppose we need to go little latest level of repositories, in this jar files. So I think we can have our, this is one of the latest, so not exactly completely latest, but it is second level, so I think we can go with it. Okay, so you can go and right click and you can add as a dependency here, and it will be added as a dependency in our, to add, select your project and you can add. Okay, so that's what you can do that. And we need to upgrade here, we need to update here the version of the driver. Okay, so we can update it writing 3 point. You can see here we have all the different versions of, so we can take this one, and I think this is the latest one. And ever since we have only one error message belonging to the one plugin, so we are not going to touch anyone else. If we get any other error message, then we're going to look for the another one. Okay, so far it's so good. And as of we have already updated this, we're going to go back and we are going to again build our project and check whether the problem is solved or not. And we are going to build this project, and if there is an error, it's going to show up. Okay, wow, boom, you can check here, build success. That means this worked. So as of it works well, we need not to go for any other things. All we need to do is now just to run our project and check whether the hello world is appearing or not. Okay, so we can right click and run this project and check whether the output in the browser it is appearing or not. And hopefully, yeah, here we go. You can see here we got the output on the browser, and it is perfectly working. And now we can carry on with all the other stuff with our program, all the other advanced level of program to the students. And this was just the beginning. We wanted to just check whether our web server is working, and we have no problem. So this is how we sorted out the problem. So I thank you guys being with me, and I wish and I request that all of you please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. Have a good day.